So I just crossed a milestone birthday just this past week, and and some of the things that I've learned in the half a century that I've been alive, I realized that much of the character lessons and much of the development of me as an adult has come from my dedication to Bharatanatyam. And I'd like to share a few things with you today. I organized it in a way that talks about, I called it all around. So if you look at shapes, and girls, you guys probably know, when you learn 2D shapes, it's very flat, right? It's a one kind of, you just look at it, it's flat. But a 3D shape is all around. So just like Bharatanatyam has made me a well-rounded person, I associated it with something 3D. So the 3Ds that I've learned as a Bharatanatyam dancer are desire, discipline, and dedication. All three of those Ds has made me the adult that I am today, and I hope that if the girls learn, the Bharatanatyam as well as the character traits that are necessary to be an outstanding individual in their adulthood. So with the desire, that all started with my mom. My mom is a fantastic singer. Many of you may know or may not know. But my mom put me in dance because she was not able to learn dance as a child. So as soon as I think I was able to walk, I was in my teacher's garage. The discipline necessary for becoming an outstanding dancer has translated to becoming an outstanding school principal or an outstanding individual as an adult or a worker or a daughter, a mother, a sister. So all of those things have happened because I've learned, okay, if I have to dance, I know what the end goal is. I know how I want to look on stage. I want to know what I want to present, and I have to work towards that. That discipline has absolutely permeated through every aspect of my school times, every aspect of college, my master's degree, and now as an adult. So I hope that these children also learn all of those traits. And the last one I have is dedication. Without the constant dedication as a dancer, you will not develop as a good dancer. You absolutely will not. The level of practice, the level of time and commitment that's needed is incredible. And I cannot be more proud of what the students have accomplished in the last few years that they've been learning with me. Some of the students that are presenting today have just joined this past Vijayadashmi, and they are excited to be showing off their talent for you today. So, without further ado, we will start with the Pushpanjali. This Pushpanjali is in Ragam Valachi, set to Adi Talam. This Pushpanjali is a composition of my mother's, Srimati Vasanti Kannan, and the dancers are, if you can make your way up here, please. Kitara, Anvi, Aishani, Chinmay, and Sashti. Pushpanjali in Ragam Valachi. Great job, girls. That was fantastic. Thank you. We are moving on to our next group. These youngsters just started in October, so they are going to be presenting a few artifices that they've learned. So just give us a couple of minutes. I'm going to just space them out on stage, and they're going to show you their artifice. Taka dimi taka janu taka dimi taka j taka dimi taka janu talan kutaka de kutaka ta dikita don te yun ta te yun ta ha te yun ta te yun ta ha. Taka dimi taka janu taka dimi taka jan taka dimi taka janu talan kutaka de kutaka ta dikita don de te de te de te de te de te de te te de te te de te te Taka dimi taka janu taka dimi taka janu taka dimi taka jan talan kutaka ta dikita don te yun ta te yun ta ha te yun ta te yun ta ha. Taka dimi taka janu taka dimi taka jan taka dimi taka jan talan kutaka ta dikita don te yun ta te yun ta ha. Other side te yun ta te yun ta ha. Taka dimi taka janu namaskaram taka janu taka dimi taka jan taka dimi taka jan taka dimi taka janu talan kutaka ta dikita don tam. Normally in a Bharatanatyam recital or a Margam, we always begin with some sort of Pushpanjali and we move into a Ganapati item. So our next item is Mushika Vahana. This is in Ragamalika, set to Adi Talam. And this also is in praise of Goddess Saraswati, is the second slokam. The third one is in praise of Vishnu and Lakshmi. And finally, Lord Nataraja, who is the supreme god of dance. So Mushika Vahana, the dancers are Gayatri, Deepika, Hena, Prashantini, and Diya. Mushika Vahana.
Murika Vagana Modaka Nesta Samana Karna Vinandita Sutra Vamana Rupa Maheshwara Putra Veena Vinayaka Vadana Maste Murika Vagana Modaka Nesta Samana Karna Vinandita Sutra Vamana Rupa Maheshwara Putra
Our next piece is Andal Kautvam. A kautvam is a piece that has a few abhinayam or descriptive lines interspersed with jatis or rhythmic patterns. This particular piece is in praise of Andal, the one who has a bun, the one who worships her Lord Krishna. Andal was born amongst trees in the forest. In this piece, we have dancers Aparna, Bhumi, Pratiksha, and Vibha. Andal Kautvam in Ragam Malayamarudam set to Aditalam.
Thank you.
Our next piece this evening, I would like to thank all of you for your support really quick. I know that these girls have worked extremely hard to present their best to you today, and I appreciate you giving your attention to them. So our next piece is Ananda Nardana Ganapatim. This is in Ragam Nate, set to Adi Talam, and the dancers are Srishti, Saharshna, Avantika, Gauri, and Anushka. Ananda Nardana Ganapatim.
आनन्दनर्तन गणपतिं भावये सदानन्दनर्तन गणपतिं भावये सदानन्दनर्तन गणपतिं भावये परमानन्दनर्तन गणपतिं भावये परमानन्दनर्तन गणपतिं भावये ओंकार गजवदनं परमं 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 परमानन्दनर्तन गणपतिं भावये सानन्दमुनीन्द्रगणनुत शिवशङ्कर मानस विलीनमानं सानन्दमुनीन्द्रगणनुत शिवशङ्कर मानस विलीनमानं संक्रीडय समन्वित गन्धर्व चारुणवराणुगीयमानं संक्रीडय समन्वित गन्धर्व चारुणवराणुगीयमानं येन जनमन्दारम् अनुपमतुल्यकलेवर शोभायमानं येन Hayata Vinuta Vinuta Hayata Kavita Takajano Kanam Kavita Tanam 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 Kavitanam Tanam Kavita Dinu 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 Kita 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 Jano 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 Hare Bhaga Jano Maga Sarasi Jam Maga Pama Nipa Hara Gada Nipam Maga Kali Mukam Pranavala Litam Jitam Nagam Shubhadam Paramam Anaka Varadhara Ekadantam Ajitam Nagam Shubhadam Paramam Anaka Varadhara Ekadantam Tatitakajanam Anakatitakajanam 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 Tatitakajanam Anakatitakajanam Anakatitakajanam Anakatitakajanam
Oh, I probably should have moved it before I turned it on. So, like I said at the beginning, we are organizing this program just like a marga. So we started with Pushpanjali, moved on to a Kalpam, a Ganapati piece, and now we're moving on to something in a form of a Varnam. So a Varnam usually has what we call a Sanchari or a story. And this Varnam or this piece is not a complete Varnam, otherwise it would be about 35, 40 minutes. This is just a portion of one, and it depicts Dashavataram, so the avatarams of Lord Vishnu. Dancers, if you've concluded your piece, please don't leave. Stick around. We're going to have one final bow at the end, and I'd like all the dancers there. So please do stay and watch all the performances. In this Dashavataram, I'm going to announce the dancers first. We have Trisha Sanvarya, Ahana, Indra, Neela, Sashti, Chinmayi, Aishani, Kitara, and Anvi. I'd like to take a moment and just show you what the avatarams are for those that are not familiar. So the first group will show Matsya, where the 4 Vedas are in the ocean. and Vishnu comes in the form of a fish and brings them back up to the surface. In the second one, the Asuras and Devas are churning the Milky Ocean, and the mountain sinks in, and he comes in the form of a tortoise and bears that mountain on his back. The third one is Hiranyaksha, snatches the world, and he comes in the form of a boar, and not only vanquishes the demon, but also holds the world on his tusks. The fourth avataram is when Prahlada is praying to his Lord Vishnu, and his father, Hiranyakashipu, comes and says, "Who are you praying to?" And he says, "Oh, my Lord Vishnu." He laughs. He says, "I'm the strongest one here. You should be praying to me." And anyhow, where is that Vishnu? I don't see him anywhere. Prahlada says, "He is in the tiniest of ants and the largest of mountains." Vishnu is everywhere. So the king says, "Is he in this pillar?" And Prahlada says, "Yes." When he strikes that pillar, Narasimha comes out and destroys Hiranyakashipu. The fifth avataram, Mahabali, comes and is very arrogant and gives boons to everybody who asks. And so Vishnu comes in the form of Vamana, or the dwarf, and asks for 3 steps. He laughs, says, "Sure, I'll give you 3 steps." The first step covers the entire earth. Second, the entire heavens. He looks at Mahabali and says, "Where should I put that 3rd step?" Realizing it's the Lord, he says, "On my head." The 6th one is Parashurama, who carries the axe. The 7th one is Ravana and Rama. He comes as Rama and destroys Ravana, the 10-headed demon. And 8, he comes as Balarama and helps guide the river by plowing in a particular direction. In this piece, 9th one is coming as Buddha, and the 10th one is yet to come, Kalki. This composition is by my grandfather, late Sri P.V. Natarajan, and this is in Ragamalika, and the Swaram compositions in the middle of the piece has been set by my mom, Vasanti Kannan. Dashavataram.
Ni da pa ma ga ma pa da ni sa
What a treat. So that was amazing. Our next piece is Alamelu Mangai, and this is in praise of the goddess, Lakshmi. This is a composition of Madurai R. Muralidharan in Ragam Shankarabaranam set to Adi Talam. And the dancers are Emma, Lakshara, Tulasi, Tanishi, Veda. I'm so sorry. Tulasi, Tanishi, Veda, Lakshara, Emma, and Ahana. Alamelu Mangai, again in Ragam Shankarabaranam. And all of the pieces so far have been choreographed by me. So, Alamelu Mangai.
அலர்மேல் மங்கை ஆடினளே அலர்மேல் மங்கை ஆடினளே அலர்மேல் மங்கை ஆடினளே அலர்மேல் மங்கை ஆடினளே அழகுமலர் மழை பொழிவது போ மகிழ்ந்திருந்து நோக்க ஆடினளே திரைமறைவில் மாயும் மங்கையின் நாடலை மகிழ்ந்திருந்து நோக்க ஆடினளே வெற்றியோலி பதமாய் மெல்லிசை வெற்றியோலி பதமாய் மெல்லிசை போடவே அட்டிகையும் தலையே சுற்றியும் ஆடவே வெற்றியோலி பதமாய் மெல்லிசை போடவே அட்டிகையும் தலையே சுற்றியும் ஆடவே அலர்மே மங்கை அழகு மலர் மழை பொழிவது போலே அலர்மே மங்கை
So usually in the second half of Amalgam program, there's always a padam or an abhinaya type piece. In this program, we're doing a Hanuman bhajan. This bhajan describes Hanuman and how he is the one who removed all of Rama's troubles, the one who found Sita in the Ashokavanam. This Hanuman bhajan is in Suddha Sarangam. It's a composition of Madurai R. Muralidharan, and this has been choreographed by Chitra Muralidharan. Hanuman bhajan. The dancers are Prabha, Ramya, and Suganya. Hanuman bhajan.
ചരണം ചരണം ശ്രീയാഞ്ജനേയ ശരണം ശരണം ശ്രീരാമദൂത ശരണം ശരണം ശ്രീയാഞ്ജനേയ ശരണം ശരണം ശ്രീരാമദൂത ചരണം ചരണം ശ്രീയാഞ്ജനേയ ചരണം ശരണം ശ്രീരാമദൂത ചരണം ശരണം அறிவு கொழுந்தே ஆனந்த
All right, we are going to conclude with the Tilana. This Tilana is in Ragam Amritavarshini. This is a composition of Madurai R. Muralidharan. We are doing just an excerpt of the Tilana, so we are doing the Anupallavi and, the Pallavi and Anupallavi. So Ragam Amritavarshini, set to Adi Talam. The dancers are Bhumi, Aparna, Vibha, Pratiksha, Kitara, Aishani, Nila, and Anvi. Tilana. After this, I'd like all the dancers to come on stage. I hope everybody is still here. So I'd like all the dancers to come up. I wanted to introduce them. The rest of this group, Pavade group, Aradhya. No? Okay. All right. Girls, if you can make your way onto the stage, please. I'd like to introduce you. Let's give them a big round of applause. Amazing, amazing performance. I know it's not easy to get up here and, dance for all of you, but your encouragement has meant the world to me as well as the students, so thank you. All right, I'm going to, is it okay if I remove this? Okay, it's going to make a lot of noise. So congratulations to this group for an incredible performance. Thank you so much to all the parents and families who came and encouraged them today. So I'm going to start on this end. This is Prabha, Gayatri, Bhumi, Viva, Pratiksha, Aparna, Tulasi, Sanvarya, Kitara, Aishani, Neela, Gauri, Saharshna, Avantika, Ahana, bow. This way. Namaskaram, like this. Okay, Lakshara, Tanishi, Emma, Veda, Tarini, Sahana, and Sharanya, and I'm going to start on that end. We have Ramya, Sukhanya, and we have Deepika, Anushka, Sashti, Anvi, Indra, Trisha, Chinmayi, Diya, Prashantini, Hena, and Srishti. Congratulations to all of these girls. Amazing job, guys. Stand like this for those of you in the third row.